The kind of people that are suited to an engineering degree are just generally those who are inquisitive and interested in how the world works. Almost everything that you touch in your day-to-day life will have some form of engineering involved, whether it's the wastewater system that takes away your wastewater, the drinking water system that provides your water to the house, or the railways that you travel on. Everything you touch in society has an engineer behind it.
When I was applying to universities, I knew I wanted to do engineering, but I didn't know where. And Edinburgh Napier had a fantastic student satisfaction rate, and it seemed like a lot of the students were becoming employed after their course, so I wanted to go there.
After I graduated from Edinburgh Napier University, I became an energy consultant. The skills that I was taught and gained in the university helped me out on my everyday life at work, which is whether understanding different ventilation systems, understanding what renewables we could use in order to lower the emissions of carbons.
Being a student at Edinburgh Napier University gave me the opportunity to get involved in world-class timber engineering research, which now has given me the skills and the opportunity to start a career in timber engineering.
In terms of career opportunities, once you graduate from an engineering degree at Edinburgh Napier, there'll be lots of opportunities for you. For example, the civil engineering graduates, you'll find them building bridges, railways, and other infrastructure around the country. And you'll also find that our graduates, it's almost like a who's who of industry. You'll find them in all these major projects and they'll be deeply involved, whether they're alumni from many years ago and are now directors, or they're the new graduates that are doing that work.
The skills I've learned at Edinburgh Napier are so transferable because the curriculum is set with the industry in mind. I've been given the skills that I need to enter the industry now.
So studying at Edinburgh Napier University, there's lots of opportunity for placements. These can be, for example, in the civil engineering sector, you could work on site for a while or work in a consultancy practice. We also get lots of industrial professionals who come into the university to help encourage and mentor students and also grade their work as well. We've also got lots of lecturers who've actually worked in industry and spent long periods of time in industry practicing what they're now teaching.
I highly recommend Edinburgh Napier as a place to study because the lecturers and the teaching staff all want you to succeed and they want to help you do that.
The people here are very lovely, everybody here is helpful, everybody is caring as well. I made a lot of friends in here that they will last for a lifetime.
I'll let you a little secret, you don't have to be brilliant at maths, but you have to understand maths. But once you start putting maths into a practical context, it becomes a lot clearer and it helps you understand a lot of the mathematical techniques you've learnt at school or wherever.
I would advise you to study engineering at Edinburgh Napier University in order to make an impact on our world.